Their ridiculously simple design has everyone loving these new boots. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Luke Kenny, and yep, you guessed it, it's the Big Red Boots by Mschf. And so today I'm going to be reviewing the Big Red Boots and giving you all the latest news all about it. So, you guys ready? Let's get to it. I know some of y'all are probably thinking, these trash, bro. Like these some goofy ass Ronald McDonald clown looking shoes, my boy. Bro, that's just rude. Just get out of here. But what he said. Excuse him, guys, but that's exactly how some of y'all are thinking. And the truth is, Mschf just kind of pulled up and stole Astro Boy's steez.
Yeah, this the return of the Mac, with the Mac in my lap, dipping swerve through the trap, looking back like two back and two cops. Homie, you know me, I like loading Glocks, and I never ever pull my shit unless somebody drops. I like guap.
They were like,
here's something new and creative. Here you go.
what? Now, I can agree that they're definitely new and interesting. It's not something that has been done before. And well, the idea is just brilliant. Take a popular, iconic anime, take their defining characteristic, bring it into real life, and back it up with a whole bunch of marketing. And I mean a whole bunch of marketing, guys. These boots have been all over social media and they haven't even been released yet. That's insane, with influencers and even popular musicians like Lil Wayne wearing them. Its design is ridiculously simplistic, with almost no detailing except for the branding at the bottom of the shoe. Now what really gives it its spotlight is its huge size, and I mean these boots are huge, guys. Just look at that, it's the size of bro's head. And the second major characteristic is its cartoonish element, right? It comes straight out of the anime, and it being known as Astro Boy boots also gives it a sort of hype. Now, when it comes to styling, I've seen some pretty good fits and well, some pretty
Trash, bro.
yeah. You see, a good example of a good fit is Shy Alexander. Now, I look at this and bro's got the olive green jacket, plain white tee, iced out, and some really nice big baggy jeans highlighted with the big red boots. Now, it looks good. He's looking fresh, and when I see that, I'm like, this might just be heat. But then I see, Poggy, right? Bro's wearing an all black striped suit with these huge cartoonish chunky big red boots, and I'm like, no, you're wearing this nice suit and then you go and put on these big chunky cartoon boots. It's just not working. Now the boots are definitely wearable and not totally impractical. Now when it comes to photography purposes, I think these boots really do shine again. Now I think they have a great aesthetic for photos and look absolutely amazing and are a great statement piece. Cause let's be honest, fashion these days isn't just walking around looking good. You know, it's all about those perfect fit pics for the gram. And these boots definitely call attention and have you looking and being like, what are those? Now, on the other hand, like I said before, these boots aren't creative, right? They're a literal copy and paste straight from the Astro Boy anime. Now, my personal opinion, right? I just think that when a brand is making something, that they should be creative about it and take inspiration and not just literally copy and paste. We've seen Mschf made a variety of really awesome creative shoes, so we know that they have the potential to do so. And I do have questions about the comfortability of the boots as well as the wearability over long periods of time. Have you guys seen the video of people trying to take these off? Like, look at that, guys. That looks so difficult. I'm not trying to spend 10 minutes taking off my shoes. But overall, Mschf has done it again with another pair of viral shoes that have taken over the internet. Now there's only one thing left, and that's for you guys to decide. Is it a cop or is it a drop? You guys let me know in the comments down below. Let's start some conversations. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know, guys. And if you love this video, guys, then please go ahead and drop this video a like. Just smash that like button, guys. It really helps me out. I make a variety of fashion related content, fashion DIYs, fashion reviews, and all sorts of fashion content. So be sure to give me a sub and join this family. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you amazing people in the next video, and keep living your passions.
Baby,